I have what it takes, and I know what it takes to sell your home for the highest price, shortest amount of time with least amount of trouble. And this is what every seller wants. Having been in business for 20 years, I am an excellent negotiator and communicator. We know that in life, we don't get what we deserve, we get what we negotiate. I will follow up with you on all aspects of the transaction, and I will also respond to all of the inquiries, which is super important. I know also how to recognize the personality types and the negotiation styles of the people that I'm dealing with. And let's not forget the next thing. Having about 20 years of experience in real estate staging and interior design, I just know which parts of your house need emphasizing and which ones need downplaying. And with that, we'll have a plan and we'll address all of the items will make your house show ready. I don't like leaving anything to chance. I am a quality and not a quantity broker. What does it mean to you? Is that I will know which buyers are interested in your house and which ones are coming for the second and the third showing, and I'll be there to meet them. I will be also present for the property inspection, and very important, I will be there to meet the appraiser with the right comps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Your house needs expert and excellent marketing, and we can provide that. With our unique contract with Zillow, we can make sure that your house is showcased using state-of-the-art photography, video, aerial photography, 3D pictures, also floor plans, and the whole array of social media. And every property is different. We will have a one plan that's uniquely tailored for your house. Of course, we'll do traditional marketing as well. We're going to do open houses, we're going to do brochure, we're going to do brokers open, everything that it needs. So please call me today so we can go over all of the above and give your house the exposure you need.